Hi guys, today we're making the s'mores cookie cups. So it's chocolate chip cookie with a layer of chocolate and then marshmallow, fluffy marshmallow on top. Okay, let's get into making these cookie cups. First, make the cookie chocolate chip base. You'll combine the butter and sugar together until it's combined. Then you're going to add the egg, and then you add the flour, bicarb soda, baking powder, and chocolate chips. You're going to chill that dough for an hour in the fridge at least. Then you're going to get your mini baking pan, and you're going to put 12 25-gram balls of the cookie dough into each, and you'll be pressing against the sides so that it has a cavity in the middle, so we can put the melted chocolate and marshmallow filling later on. You're going to bake these in a 180-degree oven for 12 minutes, and then when they come out, let them cool for 2 minutes, and then you're going to press those cavities back into place so you have room in the middle for the filling. Once they're cooled, take them out of the tin and then melt some dark chocolate. Roll that on the inside of each cookie cup, and then let's get onto the marshmallow filling. Now, the marshmallow filling is only 4 ingredients. It's quite easy to make. With the marshmallow filling, add the gelatine and water to the mixing bowl with a whisk attachment to the mixer. Then in a saucepan you're going to add your caster sugar and water, and with the sugar thermometer you're going to boil it until it reaches 118 to 120 degrees. Then you're going to pour the hot sugar syrup into the gelatine mixture in the mixing bowl, and you're going to whisk that until it forms stiff peaks. So usually when the mixture cools down, because it'll be quite hot for a while, so it'll take a while to whisk till stiff peak. Once that happens, you're going to add your marshmallow filling to the piping bag. I used just a round tip nozzle for these small cookies, and you'll pipe each one into the 12 cavities. These are a great recipe if you want to sell them at farmers markets, because that's all room temperature ingredients that don't need to go in the fridge. The marshmallow doesn't need to go in the fridge. The cookie doesn't need to go in the fridge. So they're perfect for a farmers market. Please like and subscribe to get notifications of my weekly videos on self-improvement.